Hello everyone, I'm Davinder Valeri, the Executive Director for the Accounting for Sustainability Canadian Chapter. A4S aims to inspire action, scale up action, and transform financial decision-making through integrating sustainability. As our first project for the chapter, we decided to pursue social and human capital accounting. 5 of our members decided to pursue the implementation through their organizations. One of those organizations is the Workplace Safety Insurance Board, WSIB. I'm excited to be here today because I have 2 of their leaders with me. I've got Pamela Steer, who is a CFO of WSIB, and I've got Lilian Riad-Allen, who is the Director for Mental Health. Pamela, I want to ask you a little bit about why you joined the chapter and social human capital accounting. Why that project?
Well, thanks, Davinder. So we're one of the largest insurance organizations in North America, and we insure about 5 million Ontarians in case of injury or illness at the workplace. And for WSIB, we are all about social sustainability when we look at rehabilitating and helping injured people get back to what matters to them. And so it was a very easy step for me as CFO of WSIB to look at accounting for sustainability and joining that organization.
Lillian, I'd love to hear your story and how you got engaged with respect to mental health.
Well, thank you. I've worked in the field of mental health for a number of years now, but what really drew me to the WSIB was the opportunity we had to break down stigma and destigmatize mental illness. When I started here in my role, one thing that I did was I went out to all of our regional offices and had the opportunity to meet with a number of staff members. And I vividly recall this one person kind of sneaking into the room and shutting the door behind them quickly. And when she came in and sat down, she said, "Oh, I just don't want anyone to know that I'm in the mental health room." And to me, that was really impactful. And I think where we've been able to, through our program and our collaborations with multiple leaders across the organization, is really demonstrate our investment in mental health to destigmatize that. And now when we have mental health forums, we have a speaker series coming up and we have 400 people signed up, where no one, I hope, is going to be looking behind their shoulder to see what's going on before they enter the room.
Finance. How come finance, and what was the role of finance in this project? And how did the project, I guess, instill decision-making within WSIB?
Well, that's a really great question because it doesn't seem to be a direct link between the finance organization and mental health. It doesn't seem to be an obvious link. But if you look at what's happening in the Canadian landscape, we have over $50 billion that we spend every year in Canada on mental health diseases. And while about 30% of long-term disability cases relate to mental health, they account for 70% of the costs. And so really, that's why CFOs should care. Not only is it good for our organizations, intrinsically we care about our people, but it's good business.
That's great. Thank you so much, both of you. Thank you for watching. There's many resources available, both from CPA Canada and Accounting for Sustainability. I encourage everyone to please visit our websites, both for CPA Canada and for A4S. Thank you again.